Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's Sunday, May 23rd. We've had several days in the 90s, several more coming. This has to be like a world record early harvest, but these garlics are done. I pulled a couple to see how they're doing, and as you can see, they're starting to split already. So I have got to get them pulled. Now these are a purple Spanish type garlic that we really like. See, that's not a keeper at all. It's already splitting open. So we got to get these things harvested while we still got a chance of them being in storage. But see, they've made outstanding, just outstanding garlic clusters. These are supposed to be a smaller cluster. Last year this one would have been huge for us. And look at the size of these things. Take that one up by hand. Means it's breaking open. This would have been a good one for last year. Yeah. These were planted October 19th, and they were from plants that, bulbs that I had saved over. So these were my garlic planted again. Just as an interesting aside, as you see the size of this harvest, this is one of my Goodwill containers that cost me $3. $3 container, probably bought it on a Tuesday when you get 25% off because I'm old. And look at the garlic produced out of this one $3 container. Now this container, in a day or so, will get rejuvenated, a bunch of soil added, get mixed up good, and we'll end up probably with sweet potatoes, maybe with squash. One or the other, because the garden goes all year. I'm going to switch around so we can watch from the other side and see how these other two tubs are doing. Alright. Move on here to the next tub. Another nice one. This one's got a better label on it, called a Creole garlic. Creole is the type. It's a little spicier than the stuff you get in the grocery store, which is like tasteless. If you like garlic, the grocery store stuff is just nasty. Look at that bulb. Is that beautiful? Some people do, some people don't. I always like to rinse all the dirt off because it just makes a place for things to grow. Rinse the dirt off and then let them dry real good. Let them cure. We actually are still using garlic that we harvested last year. It's lasted all year despite how much garlic we eat. And it looks like we're going to do pretty well again. I don't know if I have any more garlic. I think everything else kind of looks like this. I think is onions, which are also getting really close to being ready to harvest. So May 23rd, heading into the 90s, last few days, and for like the next week straight, no rain, no nothing. And the garlic says we're done. So we're going to keep it from falling apart on us so it doesn't store. And now we can get these fixed up, ready to plant again. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. The spring/summer garden is well underway and we're starting to harvest. Thank you for watching. Alright, I've given everybody here a quick rinse to get the big pieces off. Now I'm going to let them all sit out here in the sun and dry and start doing a little curing. I'll have to look up to see how long I leave them attached to the curing on the stems before we braid them or cut them or trim them or whatever. But that's easy enough to find, so it's not something I have to remember. But this is quite an exceptional garlic harvest. Hope yours goes well this year too.